Introducing the FalkonMac 5-axis CNC Cutting Machine, a complete solution designed for the pre-insulated duct industry. Equipped with a tilting, oscillating knife system and automatic angle switching technology, this advanced machine performs straight cuts, V-grooves, bevel cuts, and multi-angle processing in a single operation. From square ducts and rectangular ducts to elbows, reducers, transitions, and custom-shaped fittings, every component is produced with exceptional precision. The integrated duct design and nesting software allows operators to simply enter dimensions and quantities. The software automatically generates the cutting layout, optimizes material utilization, and sends the program directly to the machine. A powerful multi-zone vacuum table securely holds the panels in position. The built-in marking system automatically prints part numbers and installation references directly onto the panel, simplifying the site installation. Available from La Rosa Machinery, your trusted industrial machinery partner since 1996.